Oh, hell yeah. White, glowing, white, glowing, white, glowing. If you don't want to go outside, or you can't, because, well, what if it's raining or it's really cold or hot? You don't want to be out there. Well, there's a light up above, but grab yourself some intense light and charge up your wig. I like to think that I'm getting the light into my hair by doing this. Really work it in there. Work it into both sides. You want that like neon green, glowing, polluted water look. Okay. Small space, there's too many things. Oh, hell yeah. The wig was sent to me by CossWigs.com. So it came in this net that I don't need anymore, and it's white. In broad daylight, this thing is really, really white, and then some lighting you can see like a little tint of a greenish hue, but it's like barely noticeable. You could be the very first glowing hair Daenerys Targaryen. This is going to look absolutely ridiculous on me, so I can't wait to put it on. But first, let me show you what else is inside of the box. A comb, 2 pieces of wig caps. There was also this. Let's see what they have in here. Share and get rewards. So if you post on these places, they'll pay ya. And then the last 2 things inside of the box. This is like a little clippity-doodah to get like wig hair out of the way. And then here, there's combs. These you can sew into the wig for like extra support. And there's also an elastic band. Like if the wig doesn't fit right, you can sew it in there and make it fit better. But I leave this right in the box. I never mess with it because I use tape. It looks blue, but it's actually clear double-sided tape, and it's pretty strong. I've worn this stuff on roller coasters. For this next part, I am going to cut off all this excess lace. You probably shouldn't hold it up and do it. That's just for demonstration. You kind of want to like set it down and do it this way, and really take your time. It's just I've done this a few times, so I'm gonna rush through it. So this little clip can help keep some of the hair away as I'm cutting. I've already cleaned my skin with rubbing alcohol, and then I put some scalp protector on there as well and let it dry. So next I'm gonna put this tape down. I'm just gonna estimate. No measuring here. And then like I try to get half of it on the cap, half of it on me. And it does have all these combs, like there's comb, bra straps, additional stuff in the box. So you don't necessarily need to glue or tape, but I do it because I don't want it falling off my head. I just take the wig and I position it ever so delicately on the tape. So this part here, if you want, you can tape that down as well, or glue it or whatever. White hair without all the damage. All right, so this isn't exactly like straight out of the box because I've had it out of the box a few times and outside and in closets, and I've been playing around with it. But let's see how bad it tingles, because the last synthetic wig I had on this channel, oh girl, I couldn't even brush it out of the box. Ooh, not bad. This does feel softer than the ones I had before. Not too bad. Maybe a little tiny tangle, but nothing like really scary. The glow seems to last about as long as those little stars that you put on your ceiling. So it does need a recharge. Guessing in a black light it'll work fine, but I don't have one. I should have gotten one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, please be sure to hit that, smash it. Really smash that subscribe button or unsubscribe, whatever you feel like doing. And that's it. I gotta go. I'll see you guys next time. I try to post videos like once a week or once every 2 weeks. I try. I'm trying to buy a house too, so it's been kind of a busy life, but I'll be posting. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.